Uh, Today we start the IUPAC functional group table, that is very important part in the nomenclature and in all organic chemistry. If you are able to see that in the front of you, there is a functional group table. In this, majorly functional group are 13. Okay, so we start from the there is a priority order table. Whenever the functional group will be present more than one, so you always go with this priority. Okay, if you are able to see that, first is carboxylic, then sulfonic, then anhydride, then ester, then acid halide, then acidamide, then cyanide, then isocyanide, then aldehyde, then ketone, then alcohol, then thioalcohol, then amine. Okay, so this is a priority order table order. Okay, so we always go with one by one each of the following. Okay, now if you are able to see that the functional group, first one is a carboxylic in the front of you, COOOH, that is a functional group, and its prefix is always used as a carboxy. Now suffix, now suffix is a Ci means carbon included in the chain and carbon not included in the chain. Ci means carbon included, Cn means carbon not included. Now whenever the carboxylic is present and carbon is included in the parent chain of carboxylic, so we use oic acid, we use oic acid. If carbon is not included, we use it, suffix is carboxylic acid. Okay, now similar as we can say about sulfonic SO3H, about sulfonic SO3H, the prefix name of the sulfonic is sulfo, and there is a no carbon. So in this you are able to see that there is a no carbon included, there is only a carbon not included, or we can say there is a no carbon always. So we can say it's only a one type of suffix, that is called as sulfonic acid. Now if you are able to see that the third priority is anhydride. Anhydride is very important part. Now COO double bond O. Now it's no prefix will be there. Now but suffix is of two type: carbon included, carbon not included again. Carbon included, so we can say oic anhydride. If not included, that is called as carboxylic anhydride. Now if you are able to see that ester, fourth priority is ester, C double one O R. This R is a carbon containing group, or we can say alkyl group. Okay, now its suffix is of two types: alkoxy carbonyl, and we can say alkanoyl carbon oxy, alkanoyl oxy. Now its suffix is also two type: carbon included, this is a carbon included, this is called as carbon not included. Whenever the carbon is included of the ester, so we can say alkyl O8, this is called as O8. Okay, whatever the alkyl, if this is a alkane, so we can say alkanoid. If alkene, there is a, we can say there is a alkenoid. Okay, like this. Okay, now for carbon not included, we use this alkyl carboxylate, alkyl carboxylate. Now if there is a parent chain having a single bond, so we can say alkane carboxylate. If double bond, we can say alkene carboxylate. Okay, now understand, if you are able to see that the fifth priority is, we can say, on acid halide. This X is a halogen containing group, either this is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, like this, so on. Now the suffix, we can say, first of all, prefix is called as haloformyl. If there is a chloro acid halide, so we can say this is called as a chloroformyl. If fluoroformyl. If bromoformyl. And if you are able to see that its suffix, we can say its suffix is of two type: carbon included, carbon not included. If I am say about the carbon included, then if you are able to see that carbon included is called as oil halide, and carbon not included is called as, we can say, carbonyl carbonyl halide. Okay. Now if you are able to see that sixth number is, we can say acidamide. Acidamide is C double bond O NH2. The prefix name is called as carbamoyl, and suffix carbon included is, we can say amide, and not included is carboxamide. Okay. Now seventh is cyanide and eighth is isocyanide. So please remember, after acidamide the cyanide is comes out, then isocyanide. So cyanide prefix name is cyano, and carbon included is nitrile, carbon not included is carbonitrile. Okay. Now if you are able to see that eighth one is isocyanide. Isocyanide is having a two types of prefix. Two types of prefix, isocyano and carbyl amino. Carbyl amino when carbon is not included. Okay. If you are able to see that isocyanide is never be a carbon included. First of all, please remember it. Okay. Now in the next part we discuss it how we use this. Okay. Now there is a prefix is only a one type, that is a carbon. Suffix is only a one type, there is a carbon not included, because whenever the isocyanide is attached to the parent chain, it is attached with N compound, so it is called as isonitrile. Okay. Now ninth number is, we can say aldehyde. Ninth is, we can say aldehyde. Aldehyde is having a two types of prefix, oxo and formyl. Oxo and formyl. Oxo when the we can say carbon included of the aldehyde, carbon included of the aldehyde, and carbon is not included of the aldehyde when it is work as a functional group, it is used as a prefix, so we use formyl. And it's two types of suffix again. Al means carbon included of aldehyde, carbaldehyde means carbon is not included in the parent chain. Now if you are able to see that 10th one is, we can say ketone. Now ketone is having a two types of suffix, keto and oxo again, and only a one type of, because whenever we say about the keto is a bivalent functional group, so in the parent chain always its carbon is included, and we can say its suffix is on. Okay. Now understand, 11th one is very important, that is, we can say alcohol. And 12th one is thioalcohol. Alcohol is hydroxy is a suffix name, and there is a no carbon, so we can say there is only a one type of suffix, and the prefix is hydroxy, and the suffix is, we can say all. Okay. Now if you are able to see that 12th one is, we can say thiol, sh, thio alcohol, and the prefix name is very important, mercapto, and the suffix name is only a one type, that is, we can say thiol. Now in question number 9, example, the 13th one is priority is amine. If you are able to see that, and amine, we can say the prefix name is amino, and the suffix name is, we can say amine. And if you are able to see that fluoro, and the note is very important, fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo, nitro, they all are functional group, but always use as a prefix, never be used as a suffix. I hope that's very clear to you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and please, if you like it, then subscribe the channel.